Well, we got rocks. They're here. Awesome. He's here. I'm just trying to get my stuff. But yeah, the rock guy got here. I've never seen one like this. It's different, but I like it. So this one's different. I like it though. Yeah. It's go time. Y'all stay tuned. We're about to get started and finish this morning before it starts raining and it gets cold out here in Texas. So we're gonna finish this. The truck guy actually, he dropped off this gravel this morning and bent my flex tube. So my client's actually gonna go get back to Home Depot and get another piece. So I gotta do that, but gotta wait on that part. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna put it together this morning. So one thing about me, I don't know about everybody else, but I am extremely fast when it comes to landscaping. I've been doing this for 12, 13 years. I grew up living outside for a living. So this is extremely fun. I love it. It's a workout. I love changing people's homes or their yards or their businesses. But I love this. I love setting up cameras. I love recording everything. I love showing you guys these projects. If you have questions, I love teaching you and educating you and walking you through what I'm doing. But this is 5 yards of decomposed crushed granite. And I got this done in about 2.5, 3 hours in the rain. It's not really that cold out here, but I work. So if you guys need anything, I'm always here to help you homeowners out. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Out here in Belton, Texas, brand new business completed. Decomposed crushed granite, pavers put in. I'm big on cleaning up my mess. So hey, that's it. If you need kids that need therapy, speech therapy, come out here. It's ready to go. All right, guys, quick tip. If you are struggling in the wintertime as a landscaper, a contractor, a realtor, anybody who has any business, as an entrepreneur, or you sell anything, the easiest way to get ahead is remember what it's like this year. Next year and all next year, plan ahead, save up money, add more skills to your arsenal. So if you're just in real estate, it's okay to humble down, maybe take a house cleaning job, a moving job, landscaping job, do some tree work, services. If you or anybody out there who knows anything about TikTok or Instagram or a website or how to sell any product, consumers, me, you, anybody out here is always looking for something to buy. We always need something, whether it's heat and scented gloves, hats, clothes, makeup products. TikTok, you can go on there, get one product, take a video of it, put it up, post it, and earn commission on that product over and over and over for a lifetime. You can create channels, YouTube, Facebook. You can get monetized on all these platforms if you're growing the following, and you can collect money, passive income, just like if you're collecting rent out of a house over and over and over and over. There's always different ways to make money out here in this world. I am a landscaper. I have a landscape business, but I don't just settle on that. If I can do a house cleaning job, moving job, dig holes, pull weeds for you, cut trees for you, if I can sell something, buy something, flip something, I'll even do that as well. There's always ways, guys. So hey, you are to each their own. You're as good as you want to be, but learn more, do more. The more you can provide, the more value you can give, the more you can offer, the more valuable you are, and the more you are appreciated, and the more people will want to come to you for whatever you can offer them. If you can teach them, if you can educate them, add value, educating like this, it goes a long way for you guys. All right, guys, hope you stay warm wherever you're at. Be safe out there.